Fortune Telling Ball Part 2.
No way! You can't go!
Masked Neander had heard Corn screaming for help, but he couldn't do anything because Dekka Congo has got hold of him and he is unable to get away.
Please, Dekka Congo, let me go. They are in trouble and I really can't see anyone in trouble.
I won't let you go.
Everybody's life is in danger. I must go or else something terrible might happen. Please, my friend, please let me go. Thanks a lot, Dekka Congo.
I'm sorry. Please forgive me, Neander.
Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.
Oh, we are still alive.
Oh, now get up. Do I look like a couch to you?
This time Neander was late. They were wondering what may have gone wrong as Neander didn't come to rescue them. And all of a sudden, at that very minute, they heard some noises.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting King Nyan's palace.
And I'm pretty sure that the fortune telling ball is somewhere around in this palace.
Go back from here. All of you go back from here. Don't even think of messing with me. Why have you come here? Get out from here.
Oh, shut up, you devil. You don't know me. I'm very strong and can destroy you.
Sir, just look, he's crying.
I'm the crying devil. I'm the caretaker of this palace. And I haven't stopped crying since the time my dear king has left me and gone forever. What do I do? I miss him a lot.
Shut your mouth, you slimy worm. Now face my fireball.
Just stop. What are you doing? Didn't I tell you not to mess with me? Come on, come on.
Hey, you dirty little maggot, check out Neon's cake. Leave me, leave me.
Neon, sir. Big brother. Somebody help. Neander, ready to go. Hey, listen, crying devil. Leave both of them right now.
No way! You have made a big mistake by coming here.
Neon, sir, don't worry. Neander has arrived. I'll go and get the ball. Here I go. I'll just get it sold as fast as I can.
Oh, Corn, you are so cunning. You can't take that fortune-telling ball. It only belongs to my big brother. I won't let this happen.
I won't spare anybody. Yes, won't spare. You can't come here and mess things up.
Oh, wow. The fortune-telling ball is here itself. And now it only belongs to my big brother.
No, that ball is
No,
mine.
it's my big brother's. No, it belongs to my big brother.
Stop, you can't run away with it. I will not let it go. Oh no, he just doesn't seem to stop. Instead, he's getting wilder. Listen to me, Pidori. Go to the Kinoko forest and get those mushrooms here, alright? And go safely, Pidori.
No, I won't.
fortune telling ball.
Now I'm there.
Midori!
What is all this? Stop irritating me. Just get out of here.
Midori, thanks for getting these mushrooms. Now they will calm him down. Just take them closer to him. Dance, dance, dance. Oogie, oogie, oogie. Dance, dance, dance. Oogie, oogie, oogie.
Oh wow! Mask Niagara is asking us to dance. So come, let's dance.
Oogie, oogie, oogie.
Dance, dance, dance. Now let's get together and dance. It will be a lot of fun. Dance, dance, dance. Oogie, oogie, oogie. Dance, dance, dance. Oogie, oogie, oogie.
Oh wow! I have started feeling much better now. I don't feel like crying anymore. Dance, dance, dance. Oogie, oogie,
Wow, that's
oogie.
great.
Dance,
We've done it, Midori.
dance, dance, dance.
Now look at this. Are you okay?
Today I have laughed after so many years, so I'm thinking of rewarding those who have made me laugh. And this is the reward.
Wow, isn't this the fortune-telling ball?
Oh, hand over the ball to me, you devil, or else you will not be alive to see it.
Hey, that's a king's treasure, so it belongs only to a king.
Everybody will get greedy because of this ball and will keep quarreling all the time. Cat Town will no longer remain peaceful. This belongs to the crying devil who lives in this palace, so I'm returning it back to him. From now onwards, you will look after it. Huh?
You are very wrong. I will keep this ball with me, and I will see my future in this and try to change my destiny forever.
Leave it, it's mine. This fortune-telling
Oh,
ball
leave the ball,
is
it's mine, leave it.
Both of you stop right now. It doesn't belong to either one of you. If you want to be alive, then go away right now.
Oh, run from your life.
Come on, both of you.
Come on, Midori, we must leave too. Bye, see you again.
Thank you very much, Mask Neander.
Hey? Did you fall asleep in the toilet, Niago?
The art period is about to get over and you haven't drawn anything yet.
Yes, I know. I will draw something soon.
Huh? Niago, what is this that you're drawing? Didn't you want to eat, sleep and enjoy your life? Tell me.
Yes, that's true. But earlier I forgot to add that I also want to fly like a free bird in the sky.
I cannot understand anything that you are saying. Do you want to be like the clouds filled with the rain?
Yes, that's right. I hope that crying devil doesn't cry anymore.
Hello friends, welcome you all to this program. So finally the crying devil has stopped crying. And friends, let me inform you that this was possible only because of Mask Neander. And as always, the one on the topmost rank is, I'm sure that you all know who is, so there's really no need to mention his name. So it is Neander and Midori. And on the second rank, we have Mushroom.
I will not spare that, Neander.
Neonza, could you see your future in that ball? Please tell me, what did you see?
Oh, I could not see anything in the ball. It was too dark. Maybe my future is dark also.
Oh, my poor Neonza. He tries so hard to become popular, but all his efforts go in vain.
No, now it's really become dark.
No, sir, it's dark because I've switched off the light.
seeing your future is like a dream come true. Your present is your future. If you have a bright present, then you will have a brighter future. So friends, goodbye. We will meet you once again with another entertaining episode. Till then, take care.